Okay, you go set timer for 3 minutes. Okay, Google, stop.